The ATMOS is a 155mm 52 caliber truck-mounted howitzer that offers the advantages of superior firepower, enhanced mobility, and rapid response time. Highly adaptable, the modular ATMOS system is compatible with any 6x6 or 8x8 high-mobility tactical truck. ATMOS supplies fire support for all types of missions and can be easily interfaced with customers' existing C4I systems. Part of Elbit Systems' line of fully integrated, modular artillery solutions, ATMOS incorporates an embedded electronic suite, automatic laying system, and automatic loading system. The advanced electronic suite effectively enables accurate navigation and autonomous operation, reduced crew size, increased firepower, and high precision accuracy.